Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix network error in Capcut PC without VPN. So most of the cases you encounter this it's because of network problem. So probably people look for something better like they can connect or they will connect to a VPN server. But this time I'm going to show you how to fix this without connecting to any VPN. So the first step is you just have to go to your search menu and then you have to look for your network connections. So this is what it looks like. You have to look for network connections here. So let me try to look for like connections or view network connections. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you have to look for that or you have to tap that internet connection where you are connected to. Right click properties. Now look for internet protocol versions. Properties again, scroll down, and you have to go to use the following DNA server address, and then you have to change this to 1001. And for alternate DNS server, you have to change this to 1111. Okay, so again, I go to this area right here, and then change this to 1001, and below is 111. And then after that, click OK. Now go back to your CapCut, or before doing that, you could also restart your PC, your computer, and then open your CapCut again and see if this method will work. So you just have to go to your internet or connection settings and then change this DNS server right here, restart your computer, and see if it fix or resolve network error in CapCut PC without connecting to any VPN. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.